Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be writing a program called Wrap Name Generator, and all it does is it takes in the user's shirt color. So right now we're in a black shirt, so black, and then it takes in the last drink you had. So the last drink I drank was a Monster energy drink, one of those green monsters I really like. So then it creates your wrap name, which is, in this case for me, is Black Monster. Let's try something else. Say I was wearing a red shirt, okay, and say I drank water, so my wrap name is going to be Red Water. So this is a pretty easy code, and all that we're teaching in this episode is how to take in inputs from the user and how to format print statements correctly to print in a specific way you want to print. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So first up, let's create our program. So let's create a new file, okay. And what do we want to call it? Let's select the language. So as always, we want Python. So we want Python, okay. And let's go ahead and save it, okay. I'm gonna save it in my Python course folder. I'm just gonna create a new folder, call it Wrap Name Generator, okay. Create a folder, okay. Save it in here. Let's call it wrap name, wrapname.py, okay. So now we have this. So the first step to creating this is, let's create some kind of welcome. So step one, let's create some kind of greeting message. So the greeting is pretty much just a simple print statement. And what do I want to print? I just want to simply print welcome to the wrap name generator, which is our program. Well, we can add some, some squiggly lines just to make it look kind of sexy, but no one really cares about those. Okay, so we're done with the first part of the program. So next, what do we want to do? We want to ask the user for his input. So we want to ask for shirt color, okay. And this, we're going to use an input statement. So I'm going to say input, okay, input. And what do I want to input? I want to say, what is the color of your shirt? Okay, simple. And if we just leave it like this, we're gonna lose the value of this input. So we're gonna need to save it in a variable so that we can use this value later on. So I'm just gonna call the variable shirt, set it equal to this. So now we have our first variable. Third task is to ask the user for last drink, okay. So again, just like this, we're gonna say drink, which is the variable name, equals input. We want to take in an input, and what do we want to say? We want to say, what was the last drink you had? Okay. So at this point, we have created both variables, right? And we should have, we should have both variables. So next, the last one is to display our output. So we want to combine users shirt and last drink to create wrap name. Okay, so how do we want to do it? I'm going to use a print statement, okay, but I'm going to use what we call, in Python it doesn't matter if you use double quotes or single quotes. This time I'm just going to use single quotes just to show you guys we can use whichever. But I'm going to use something we call an F string, and you're going to see how an F string works. So I'm just going to say your wrap name is, okay. So with an F string, you need these curly braces. So here we're going to put in the variable shirt, okay, with a hyphen, and then we're going to put a variable drink. Let's add a period in the end. Okay, so this looks good so far. Let's go ahead and save it, and then let's run it. We run it using this button right here. So boom, we run it. Let's make it full screen. So now it's welcome to the wrap name generator. What is the color of your shirt? Green. Let's say shirt is green. Okay, what's the last drink you had? Let's say the last drink I had was tea. Green tea is my rap name. That's weird. So let's clear this. Okay, so this looks good so far, but however, say we wanted to add, just for practice, we want to add a fifth task saying hey, which is just a bonus. In this case, it's not really important. It's make the user enter input in new line. Okay, because right now this is how it works. Okay, it asks you the question, okay, and you have to enter the input in the same line. Okay, so in this case, the same line. What is color we should, let's say purple. Okay, what was the last drink? Vodka. The rap name is purple vodka. Okay, it's clear. Okay, let's not clear this so we can see. Okay, so now we're adding this fifth bonus problem so we can enter a new line. And just to do that is pretty simple. All we have to do is go here and add the new line character to each of these guys. Okay, so I'm gonna copy him, add him here. Okay, and now let's try this now. Okay, as you can see, it's now asking us for the input on the new line rather than the same line. So say the last drink, my shirt is red, and my last drink was Red Bull. So my rap name is Red Bull. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope this was helpful in kind of showing you guys a beginner code in Python, showing you how to create variables and store them, showing you how to take in user inputs, and showing you how to format strings in certain ways. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.